If you're using an external CRM and would like to sync event data from SugarMarket to your CRM, you'll want to be sure you have this sync set up before your event. Please note, this change will need to be made by someone with an admin role in SugarMarket. To make changes to the push-pull settings, you're going to navigate to the User menu. Select Admin, and under the CRM Administrator section, you'll click on External Connectors. And there you'll select your CRM name, Settings. So in this case, I'm using SugarCRM, so I'll select SugarCRM Settings. Depending on what external CRM your organization uses, the options and wording you see in the screen may vary. Please keep in mind, if you are a Bullhorn CRM customer, you will not have the option to sync event data from SugarMarket to Bullhorn. Under Additional Sync Settings, make sure that the Push Event Data checkbox is checked. Then click Save. With this box checked, after a SugarMarket event has occurred, all registered and attended contact and lead records are updated in Sugar. The event information will show within the Event Management Custom module. And with that quick change, SugarMarket is now set to sync event data to your external CRM.